Please can't change your date of birth on TikTok. Let me tell you reasons why you can't change your date of birth on TikTok. TikTok does not allow users to edit their date of birth directly in settings anymore. The feature was removed to protect younger users from accessing age-restricted content. So if your date of birth is wrong, you must contact TikTok support. To contact TikTok support simply means to report the problem to TikTok. So the first thing you have to do is to open your TikTok app this way. Click on your profile icon found at the bottom of your screen. So right here, the next thing you have to do is to click on 3 lines found at the top right corner of your screen. Click on settings and privacy. So right here, the next thing you have to do is to scroll to the bottom of your screen. Click on help center. So right here, you just have to scroll at this option called account. Click on see more. Right here, you just click on chat with us. So the next thing you have to do is to click on others. Next thing you have to do here is to paste your message or type your message. I said, hello TikTok, my date of birth on my account is incorrect. Please help me to update it. I can provide my valid ID for verification. Having done that, the next thing you have to do is to click on the submit option here and submit your message. Having done that, the next step you have to take is to verify your age. TikTok may tell you to verify your age or prove your age by the use of your national ID, your passport, driver's license, and date of birth. After verification, they may update your date of birth. If TikTok does not change it after 24 hours or 72 hours, wait for TikTok support to respond, or you create a new TikTok account with the correct date of birth. So guys, that is it on how to fix can't change your date of birth on TikTok. If this video was helpful, please do also like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.